on, guys? And today we have an opening, but I am sorry, but my throat hurts really bad. So sorry that if I sound weird, but just because my throat hurts. So these packs have come from me buying them, and then league achievements and people from my league sending them to me. So oh, nice. Okay, pulled an Aaron Arnston. But I don't know. Hopefully we can pull something nice out of this premium pack, because I spent $30K on it. Okay. Let's see if anyone... Oh, nice. Okay. Let's get free 9,000 coins. Let's go to my link. Okay, so shout out to my league. Also, shout out to Mac and Baba Booey because of his loss, but get to the premium pack, and maybe we can pull something good. Because okay, oh dang it, oh, Stevie Watkins, that's actually a really good pool. Because he's an 83 overall, he's almost an elite. I thought I wanted to keep you out. I'm just gonna keep everyone in that I had and see how much all these players go for. So, let's see who I pulled in. I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm back, and these are the things that I decided to put on the auction house because they actually went for coins. So, yeah, if you guys want to buy these players, please do. And hope you guys enjoyed. And goodbye.